friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Please Donate on Roblox. So guys, please watch full video till the end to understand and the video. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed yet my channel, you can subscribe now. So now let's start the video. First of all, to play Please Donate, you have to open Please Roblox app. Now once it is open, now you have to tap on search bar and you have to type PLS and donate. So you have to enter this keyword. So the game pass the please donate a game will be appear. So you just have to tap on it and tap on please play button. Once the game is started, guys, you have to close this window and now you have to go to any empty stand. So you have to look for any empty stand. So you can see that the both stand are already occupied and this is also occupied. So this one is empty, so no one has claimed yet this stand. So to claim this stand, you have to hold this button, and once your game passes and the t-shirts will be listed here. So now if someone purchase from your stand, you will get 70% out of it. So that's how you can sell your game passes and t-shirt from here. And the main motive of the game of this game is to basically get donation from the users. So the main the context of this game is to get donation. That is why its name is Please Donate. So now you have, if you want to edit this text at the top of this stand or booth, just hold this button again and enter your message. So you can type your message to attract more donation or donators. So now you can edit. So you can see that my message has been updated. Fine. So if you have created your t-shirts, you can also add your t-shirts by holding this stand button, and your t-shirt will be created. So to list your item, first of all you must have items to list here. So you have to either create a game pass or the t-shirts. So you can create. So if you don't know how to create game pass and t-shirts, you can watch the various video on my channel. So you can find the link in the description, or you can go to my channel and find the videos. So hope you like it. So that's how you can play and use please donate on Roblox. Hope you like it, and if you like it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing us. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.